Sometimes you just want something simple to build that doesn't require a lot of planning and thinking. So today I'm going to build this really cute laser cut bonsai tree. I found this little gem while on vacation at Walt Disney World, in the Japan Pavilion at Epcot specifically. They always have so many fun things to look at, and while everything is overpriced, I just had to have this one. I don't normally buy much when I'm on vacation, so this certainly was a splurge for me, but I'm always on the lookout for a fun thing to build. What do you guys keep your eye out for when you're on vacation? Let me know in the comments. The entire kit comes pre-painted and just snaps together, though a little bit of glue was needed for some parts. This was made of thin wood that was cut out on a laser engraver, so you just have to pop the parts off the sprue and assemble. I started off with the base of the tree, which is actually a pot. This little model is actually really well made and mostly snaps together without much fuss. The pot even gets topped off with some fake grass, a nice touch. Next, we'll move on to the tree trunk. Some of the tolerances are just a little tight, but that's an easy fix. Just unassemble a few and reassemble in a different order. Onto the flowers and tree branches. These are all pretty simple to assemble, just very repetitive, which can be quite fun and relaxing. Flowers attached to small branches. Small branches attached to larger branches. And larger branches attached to the tree trunk, and you basically rinse and repeat. And then you're done. So cute. Let's roll some beauty shots. Well, this was a fun and simple build, and sometimes that's just what her hobby time needs. If you enjoyed this, I'd very much appreciate a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.